Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Jeera biscuits at home without an oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of semolina, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 4 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of salt ready. Finally, ensure you have 4 tablespoons of cold butter or ghee and about 1/4 cup of milk. Now let's prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, semolina, baking powder, sugar, salt, and cumin seeds. Mix these dry ingredients very well. Next, add the cold butter or ghee and rub it into the flour mixture using your fingertips until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Gradually add milk, a little at a time, and knead to form a firm, smooth, and pliable dough. With our dough ready, it's time to shape the biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and roll the dough evenly to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use a cookie cutter or a knife to cut the dough into your desired biscuit shapes. For cooking, place a wire rack inside a large, heavy-bottomed pan or cadai. Cover it with a lid and preheat it on medium heat for about 10 minutes. Finally, let's bake these delicious biscuits without an oven. Carefully arrange the cut biscuits on a greased plate. Place this plate on the wire rack inside the preheated pan. Cover the pan tightly and cook on very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. After about 15 minutes, gently flip the biscuits and continue baking for another 5 to 10 minutes until they are golden brown and crisp. Enjoy your homemade Jeera biscuits.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.